Hello, I'm Bob Kendal. I'm the ruminant sales manager for Alltech in the north of the UK, and we're here today to do some assessments on this silage clamp. We're using a system which we call Navigate, which quantifies feed waste in financial terms. What we do is measure the energy loss from the clamp, turn that into a financial figure in terms of the milk that could have been produced from that energy, and then you can use the Navigate report to make informed decisions on where to spend time and money to help reduce feed losses. So where we start is with the temperature. So we have a 50 centimetre temperature probe and a 10 centimetre temperature probe. So we put them in the clamp, and what we're looking for is the difference in temperature in the depth of the clamp compared to at the face. So we expect there to be some heat in the depth of the clamp. What we hope is that as you come forward, that heat dissipates. If the 10 centimetre temperature is higher, it means that we're getting aerobic spoilage, and that as the oxygens get into the silage, the microorganisms are getting going and stealing energy from the cows. So what we can see here is that it's about getting towards 24 degrees at depth and just 18 degrees on the face. So this process is then repeated at the top of the clamp and at the two shoulders, and we can compare the temperature in those areas. The next measurement that we take is looking at compaction, packing density. So we take a core from the silage. So that's 15 centimetres deep, 5 centimetres across. What we can then do is weigh the silage that's in there, and that gives us the kilograms of silage per cubic metre. So what we're looking for ideally is about 750 kilos of silage fresh weight in each cubic metre of the clamp. So the next part of the Navigate process is to measure any actual waste on the silage clamp. So I guess in a lot of cases there'll be a little bit of waste on the top, a little bit of waste on the sides. But when we actually measure that wastage, multiply it up by the length of the clamp, we can see that there's actually quite a large proportion of the clamp that is getting wasted there. What we also do is estimate the ash content within the clamp. So throughout all of this process, we have worked with Dr. David Davis of Silage Solutions, who's helped us come up with the equations behind the process, and also the ash assessment system to look at the fermentation speed. So one of the ways that we can reduce the losses in the top of that clamp and speed up that fermentation is by using the correct silage inoculant. So what we need to look for is a homofermentative bacteria that's being applied at 1 million bacteria per gram of grass. For example, Alltech Navigate. So if you'd like to find out more about how you can reduce wastage on farm, then please get in touch with Alltech.